Hey guys, Trent here coming at you with another video. So in this video we're going to take a look at Masters of the Universe Origins Wave 5, Part 1. We're going to look at Fisto and Lords of Power Merman. Alright, so welcome into my channel. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos on 80s, 90s nostalgia, toy collecting, video game collecting, and all sorts of stuff like that. So let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Masters of the Universe Origins Wave 5. Part 1. We got Fisto and Lords of Power Merman. Pretty cool. So we're going to look at Fisto first. So we got Fisto, heroic hand-to-hand fighter. Modern posing retro play burst, new for 2021. And he's looking much like the vintage figure. Pretty awesome. On the back we got a demonstration of fitting his weapons into his hand and action features. Looks like he doesn't actually have the action feature of the vintage figure, which was like a karate chop kind of power punch. And we got the cross sell there for the other Wave 5 figures, Fisto, Faker, Evil Lyn, and Merman. Look forward to getting to Faker. That's going to be in Part 2. And then we got this awesome art here. Looks like, yeah, that makes sense that Fisto will be battling Jitsu because they had the same action feature basically. So maybe we'll see Jitsu down the line. Oh, and there's Stridor in the background too. That's cool. So the rugged fighter with the metal fist, Fisto uses incredible strength to protect Eternia's enchanted forest. Awesome. All right, let's get Fisto out of the package and see what he's all about. All right, got Fisto out of the package and he is looking pretty awesome. Like the armor, the paint's looking really good. Seems like they could have some issues with overspray and stuff like that. There's a little bit there, but with that silver paint, looks good. Just a nice, clean MOTU figure in general. Fisto looks good. Oh yeah, so we're in Wave 5 now, so we got a different comic. This is one I haven't checked out yet because I'm just now opening Wave 5. We got Sucker Punch. It's got Fisto and He-Man on the cover. So that's cool. And we got his removable parts for Fisto. So Fisto has two accessories, his armor piece, which is removable on the sides, just like the vintage figure. Actually, they change it now. There's no clips on the shoulders. You just remove the head, I suppose, to remove the armor. And he has his sword, which is just like the vintage figure, is just a different color, the same as Triclops' sword. So, love the purple colors on Fisto. And so he's got his big fist, but there is no action feature in the Masters of the Universe Origins. There's no spring arm. But that's okay. This is not, you can do cool poses with him, and he doesn't necessarily need the action feature. Alright, here we have Origins Fisto next to Vintage Fisto. Nice updated version. But of course, Vintage Fisto does have that action feature of that chopping hand. Alright, now let's look at Lords of Power Merman. I'm excited that we're getting the Lords of Power figures that were otherwise just a PowerCon exclusive. They changed them up a little bit. They're not quite as detailed, but it's a good sign that we're getting these because it means that hopefully we could get some PowerCon 2021 figures like Duplicate and Leo Faker. They better do it because they've shown that they're willing to re-release the exclusives basically in a non-exclusive format. So that's what we have as Lords of Power Merman. So Merman's already been released in Masters of the Universe Origins, the standard vintage figure inspired Merman. We'll show a comparison of that. But the Lords of Power were the original concept designs for Masters of the Universe. The name at one point before they finalized the name was called the Lords of Power. And this is based on the design of the original figures, which were, I believe, He-Man, Merman, Man-at-Arms, and Skeletor and Beastman. So hopefully, I know Beastman's coming out in Wave 6 with the Lords of Power, but hopefully we'll see more of the Lords of Power figures too. So we got the Merman, Ocean Lord, Warlord. It doesn't say anything about it being a different kind of Merman, except for the Lords of Power logo here. So looking at the back, we just got the action feature throwback, and again, the same cross-sell. So that wonderful artwork once again. Looks like we have a different version of Tila over there riding a unicorn. I'm not sure who that character is, the unicorn character. As ruler of Rakash, Merman orders the monsters of the deep at the behest of the evil Skeletor. Cool. Alright, let's get Lords of Power Merman out and see what he's all about. Alright, here we go. Lords of Power Merman out of the package. I like the design. It looks awesome. I definitely like the armor difference and everything. And cool different colors. So he has his armor accessory and then now a waist accessory, the bow tie piece that's normally on the regular Merman would be one piece of armor. This is broken up into 2 pieces of armor. So that's interesting. And he's got his corncob sword, which is kind of a different color as well. Looks more like the vintage color, honestly. So there we go, Lords of Power Merman, Masters of the Universe Origins. Nice. Alright, so here we got the original vintage-inspired Origins Merman next to Lords of Power Merman. You can see the color scheme's different, and of course the head sculpt is completely different and everything. And the arms too, got those extra fins and everything. Really cool. Even the feet have a different sculpt. Quite a lot of difference. So they're definitely both welcome figures. All different kinds of variants are great. Alright, for now we'll throw Fisto right down there by the wrestling ring with Gizmo. And we'll put Lords of Power Merman over here by the Battle Damage 2-pack. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.